Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Complete Cookies is probably one of the most sought-after snacks for those seeking a delicious yet guilt-free indulgence, and today we're diving deep into what makes these cookies a standout choice in the crowded healthy snack market. We'll explore their unique selling points, taste profiles, and whether they truly live up to the hype as a satisfying treat that doesn't compromise on flavor or nutritional value, making them a potential game-changer for your snack drawer. Number 5. Cooked strawberry extract for baking. Unlock the vibrant taste of fresh strawberries in your baking. Our extract delivers an authentic, pure flavor that enhances all your sweet creations. Whether you're making cookies, cakes, or homemade preserves, this extract is your secret ingredient. It adds a delightful strawberry essence that everyone will love. Elevate your homemade syrups with a burst of natural strawberry. A little goes a long way to create a delicious topping for pancakes, ice cream, and more. Experience the rich, natural taste of strawberries without artificial flavors. This extract provides an intense yet authentic fruit flavor. Trust in a quality ingredient to make your baked goods stand out. It's perfect for adding that special touch to your favorite recipes. Get more of the flavor you love with our convenient 16-ounce bottle. Plenty to share and enjoy in all your culinary adventures. What we like. This is a pure strawberry extract, perfect for enhancing baked goods. If you love a natural, intense fruit flavor in your cookies, cakes, or preserves, this is your go-to. It's ideal for bakers who want to control sweetness and flavor intensity from scratch. What people say. The cookies are soft and chewy, with a good balance of sweetness. They are made with wholesome ingredients and are a great source of protein. The variety of flavors available is impressive, catering to different preferences. Number 4. Lenny and Larry's Complete Protein Cookie. Discover the delicious Lenny and Larry's Complete Protein Cookie. It's the perfect guilt-free treat for your active lifestyle. Each cookie is loaded with 16 grams of high-quality plant-based protein. Fuel your body with the best ingredients. Explore a variety of 8 amazing flavors to satisfy any craving. There's a perfect taste for everyone. Enjoy the satisfyingly chewy and soft texture in every bite. It's a treat that truly hits the spot. Made with vegan and non-GMO ingredients, it's a snack you can feel good about. Plus, it's high in fiber. This pack includes 16 4-ounce cookies, perfect for on the go. Keep your energy levels up throughout the day. What we like. Get a great mix of flavors with this high-protein option. If you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy a variety of tasty, plant-based snacks that support your fitness goals, this pack is for you. It's perfect for those who want to try different flavors or keep their snack options exciting. What people say. The cookies are delicious and satisfying, with a good balance of sweetness and texture. They are a great option for a healthy snack, providing sustained energy without a sugar crash. The ingredients are high quality and the cookies are free from common allergens like gluten and dairy. Number 3. Lenny and Larry's White Chocolate Macadamia Protein Cookie. Introducing a treat that's as satisfying as it is delicious. Packed with 16 g of plant-based protein, it's the perfect guilt-free indulgence. Savor the delightful combination of sweet white chocolate and crunchy macadamia nuts in every bite. It's a flavor experience you won't want to miss. Experience the perfect texture with our soft-baked cookies. They're wonderfully chewy and melt in your mouth, making every moment a little sweeter. Crafted with wholesome ingredients, it's vegan and non-GMO. Enjoy a snack that aligns with your healthy lifestyle without compromising on taste. Boost your daily fiber intake with this satisfying cookie. It's a smart choice for digestive health and overall well-being. Each pack contains a generous 4-ounce cookie, perfect for on-the-go energy. Grab one whenever you need a delicious pick-me-up. What we like. Indulge in a decadent flavor combination with these substantial cookies. If you crave a rich, satisfying treat that also packs a protein punch, this flavor is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want a more dessert-like experience while still getting their protein in. What people say. The cookies are soft and chewy, with a satisfying texture that isn't too crumbly. They have a good balance of sweetness and flavor, not overpowering but definitely enjoyable. The ingredients are clearly listed and seem to be of good quality, making them a healthier option compared to traditional cookies. Number 2. Lenny and Larry's Complete Protein Cookie, Chocolate Chip. Introducing the Lenny and Larry's Complete Protein Cookie. It's a chewy, soft-baked treat packed with 8 g of plant protein. Enjoy the classic taste of chocolate chip without compromise. This cookie is perfect for a guilt-free snack anytime. We believe in wholesome ingredients. That's why our cookies are vegan and non-GMO, so you can feel good about what you're eating. Stay full and satisfied with the high fiber content in every cookie. It's a smart choice for your daily nutrition. Get a pack of 12 individually wrapped 2-ounce cookies. They are perfect for keeping in your pantry or taking with you wherever you go. Whether you need a post-workout refuel or a midday pick-me-up, this cookie delivers on taste and nutrition. What we like. Enjoy the timeless taste of chocolate chip in a convenient, smaller package. If you're looking for a classic snack that offers a good amount of protein without being too large, this is perfect. It's great for on-the-go energy or a satisfying midday treat. What people say. The cookies are delicious and have a great texture. They are a good source of protein and fiber, making them a healthy snack option. The cookies are individually wrapped, which makes them convenient for on-the-go snacking. Number 1. Fusion Select Cookie and Cream Boba Tea Powder. Experience the rich, creamy taste of our cookie and cream boba tea powder. It's a perfect blend of flavor, sugar, and cream, ready to be enjoyed. This all-in-one powder makes preparing your favorite beverage a breeze. Simply add water or milk, and you're ready for a delicious treat. Whether you prefer a refreshing cold frappé or a comforting hot drink, this powder delivers. Enjoy it your way, anytime. Craving authentic bubble tea? Our pre-mixed powder provides that instant satisfaction. It's the quick and easy way to make delicious bubble tea at home. Whip up delightful fraps in moments with this flavorful powder. It's the secret ingredient for a truly yummy and satisfying blended drink. Trust Fusion Select for premium ingredients and exceptional taste. This powder is crafted for your enjoyment, offering a consistently delicious beverage. What we like. Create delicious boba tea instantly with this all-in-one powder. If you love the flavor of cookies and cream and want a quick, easy way to make your favorite bubble tea at home, this is the product for you. It's perfect for busy individuals or anyone who enjoys a sweet, creamy beverage. What people say. The cookies are delicious and have a great texture. They are soft and chewy, just like homemade cookies. I love that these cookies are made with wholesome ingredients. They are a good source of protein and fiber, which makes them a healthy snack option. The variety of flavors is amazing. I tried the chocolate chip, peanut butter, and double chocolate, and they were all fantastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.